In the last video you have seen that how to do addition of the numbers. Now in this video we will discuss how to do subtraction of the numbers. Now same, I have written here some numbers. Now we will subtract. I will change this 4 and change this 7. Now we will subtract these numbers. Now here same, I have select this one and right here is equal to sign, sum into 4. I have selected this, and then here we will do subtraction by this sign, and we will select this, and after that we will do this. The formula is completed. Now we will enter. Have you seen this? Now we want to make this same formula to this address by have seen this plus sign and select this. Now have you seen this? This same formula is applied to this cell. Now like this we will do the subtraction. Thanks for watching this video. Other discussion will be done in the next video. Thank you.